I knew you didn't love me.
Okay.
Nico, dame la mano.
Sorry.
Sí, ¿por qué lo dejaste?
Come on! Is she serious right now? Really? You left me.
You know how scared I am of escalators? And you literally went down without me. You just let go of my hand.
No. Bakit mo pinitawan yung kamay ko?
Medyo masakit yung kamay ko, love. Mamaya na lang.
Holding hands tayo.
Mamaya na, love. It's okay. Mamaya na ka, love. Seryoso.
Holding hands tayo?
Oy, ay, sige, tulog. Sorry.
What? You let go of my hand.
My hand was getting sweaty.
I don't care if your hand is dripping sweat. You can't let go of my hand. You know what could happen to me? If you let go of my
What?
hand, I could get kidnapped.
Why are you doing that?